Hello, I am Mafez. Today in this video I give a full review of Legion v2.7 custom ROM. Without wasting time, let's start the video. In this ROM you can see the customization similar to the MIUI ROM and One UI ROM. In here you get all feature like Android 10. But also you get some new feature that you will not get in stock ROM. Because this is custom ROM, so you get many customization options. In Legion ROM you can change quick settings, status bar, lock screen gestures, notifications, buttons, navigation bar, animations, etc. In quick settings customization you will get vibrate on touch, brightness slider customization, quick pull down option and many more. In status bar customization you get clock customization, network traffic option and some other option. After status bar customization next you get lock screen customization. In here you get next level customization, noting. Beside in gestures option you get minimum customization. In this ROM you get theming section, where you get more option to customization. In this ROM you get Android R style notification option. Watch the full video to know more info about this ROM. Now I show the overall option, so that don't skip the video. Now I tell you overall performance. This ROM good in gaming and data life use. You get the good battery backup. You can use custom ROM. I give a download link in the description box. This is a GSI ROM, so you can install this ROM in any treble support phone easily. Please subscribe to my channel to get the last video like this. If you like this video, please give it like the video.